Hi, John Witt here. Thanks to everyone for helping us test out our new Make the Right Moves workshop for learning what to do when you don't know what to do. And I really appreciate the comments and the positive feedback. We couldn't do it without you. For those of you that didn't get a chance yet, you can still register at whattado.businesswit.com. We're looking forward to your comments. And today I wanted to let you know that we're reorganizing our YouTube channel. We've grown our channel organically over the past 7 years. We committed to video in 2014, and we have over 700 videos on our channel. And we created playlists that we thought would work well at the time, but we realize it needs to be better. It can be really challenging to find certain videos on our channel if you don't know specifically what you're looking for. So today we're creating new playlists that align with Focal Point's 4 must-have strategies for business owners and Focal Point's 5-point stack power principle for business planning and growth. You'll start to see some pretty significant changes over the next few weeks. Take a look at what we've got planned. All right, so let's talk about the 4 must-have strategies. When you're managing your business, there's 4 key areas that, as a business coach, I make sure that you have in place. I make sure that you have these 4 strategies in place. And the first one is time. And everybody has the same challenge with time because everybody has the same 24 hours of the day. And there's never enough time to do everything. There's only enough time to do the most important things. So we've got to have a good strategy for managing our time. The second strategy is team. Now, even if you're a solopreneur, even if you're a team of 1, we need the team to perform at its highest level. So we need strategies to improve team performance. And then we have money, and obviously that's a very important component of running a business. And this is where we need strategies for making more money, and it's often marketing and it's sales. And then we have exit. We need an exit strategy because everybody exits the business at some point in time, and we want to make sure that you get to exit the business on your own terms. Now, as a byproduct of these 4 areas, when you have those in place, things like uncertainty and frustration and stress are reduced. And so we're taking the videos in the YouTube channel, and if you search on any one of these categories, you'll get a list of videos that relate to these particular categories. So it's going to be a lot easier to find the material for these 4 strategies. So the other search feature and playlist strategy is Focal Point's 5-point stack power principle for business planning and growth. At the bottom of the stack is clarity. And this is the foundation of your business success. You first need to be as clear as possible on your products and services and the results that you want to achieve. Now, the second category is efficiency. And this applies to your time and your team. Now, there's never enough time to do everything. There's only enough time to work on the most important thing. And that goes for both you and your team. And once you've got clarity on the business and efficiency in the delivery of your products and services, then you can blow the lid off the business with marketing. Today's internet strategies allow you to market your product worldwide at a fraction of past marketing costs. And sales closely follows, in that we need to take those that are interested and have opted in some fashion and convert them into customers. And lastly, it's leadership, leading and motivating your team to high levels of performance and success. And we're optimizing our channel with playlists and search components to make your search for effective information simpler and easier. For those of you that have subscribed to the channel, you'll still get notified with each new video that we post. And if you've been through the What to Do When You Don't Know What to Do training, the 5-day business challenge, or the Make the Right Moves workshop, you'll be able to find related videos simply and easily as they relate to the different steps in the training. Now, ideally, you'll have made a list of the areas where you need to get a little bit stronger. So you can take a look at our YouTube channel now. It's youtube.com/businesswit. Thanks for watching today. I know your time's valuable. Please take a moment and share your comments with others on the channel or in the forum. If you'd like information on how to use the forum or how to join the forum to improve your results, shoot us a note and we'll send you the details. You know, I work with business owners every day to make the right moves so they can achieve better results and achieve the time and financial freedom that they want for themselves and their family. When you make the right moves in chess, you win the game. When you make the right moves in business, winning gets a lot easier.